of our projects involving small forest ownership is called For Forest Innovation. We're taking a look in the future there until the year 2100 by implementing different management scenarios and simulating the forest of the future in 3D. So you actually get to see how the changes are affecting the forest. We've programmed a web app where this is visible. You simply choose your area in Styria, then you choose a management scenario, and then the app will calculate how the forest is changing. And not only that, you will also receive economical and ecological data that represents your decisions. But this is not only things we're doing. We're also taking a look at continuous cover forestry. Where in Styria is it possible? Where is it not possible? We're also addressing the topic of the forest management plans. How should a management plan be designed so it's easier to work with, so it's more dynamic? So this is a big part of the project as well. And we're also doing talks to the industry because we also want to know those new tree species that we will have here during, because of the climate change. How can we make profit with them? How is it from an economic point of view? So it's a broad variety of activities, but it all starts with small forest ownership. Another very interesting project is called Forest Eco-Value, and it also addresses small forest ownership. But this time it addresses ecosystem services and how a small forest owner can make money with that. So this is an Interreg project involving Germany, France, Slovenia, Italy, and Austria. And each country addresses different ecosystem services. We are addressing biodiversity and continuous cover forestry. So our approach was that the forest owner can actually choose one of those two measures. So either use deadwood as a source of biodiversity or initiate continuous cover forestry. And the forest owner, him or herself, decides how much is this worth in my forest. And then we use the system of a reverse auction system, and the best applicants win, meaning where we reach the highest output with the least money, that's the project that will receive money. And of course, there's also the question, where does the money come from? It's not governmental founded. So we're having talks to the industry and asking them, would you support small forest ownership by providing some funding so you can boost ecosystem services? And for our first try, for a pilot, the Raiffeisen Landesbank gave us some funding so we could apply this new model for the first time, and we're very happy how it turned out. We had more than 100 applications and it worked very well. We of course know what we can do better for the second round, but we're very happy with the results. And this is a very important project because we can show that ecosystem services are valuable also from an economic point of view.